Google's new Fitbit Air and the Apple Watch are completely different types of wearables, but many people are now confused between them. One focuses on lightweight health tracking with no distractions, while the other delivers a full smartwatch experience with advanced smart features. So in this video, we'll compare their design, health tracking, battery life, smart features, comfort, and overall value to see which one is actually better for you. Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest tech updates. The Fitbit Air and Apple Watch may both focus on health tracking, but the overall experience is completely different from the moment you wear them. Starting with the design, the Fitbit Air is built around simplicity and comfort. It has a lightweight screenless design that weighs around 12 grams, making it feel almost invisible during daily wear and sleep tracking. Google clearly designed this tracker for users who want a wear-and-forget experience without notifications or distractions. The Apple Watch, especially the SE model, feels much more like a traditional smartwatch. You get a bright display, premium build quality, touch controls, apps, notifications, calls, music controls, and full smartwatch functionality. It looks more premium overall, but it also feels larger and more noticeable on the wrist. When it comes to health tracking, both devices cover the basics really well. Fitbit Air includes heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, temperature sensing, activity tracking, and AI-powered wellness insights through the new Google Health system. Google is also heavily focusing on personalized AI coaching and recovery guidance. Apple Watch still delivers one of the best smartwatch health experiences available. You get heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, workout tracking, crash detection, fitness tracking, and strong ecosystem integration with Apple Health. The health experience feels more polished and interactive because of the display and app support. But honestly, the biggest difference comes down to battery life. Fitbit Air can last around 7 days on a single charge because there's no display draining power. That makes it much better for continuous sleep tracking and long-term wear. The Apple Watch still offers around 18 hours of battery life with normal use, which means most users will charge it daily. Fast charging helps a lot, but compared to Fitbit Air, the battery difference is huge. Now let's talk about smart features. This is where Apple Watch completely dominates. You can answer calls, reply to messages, use apps, control music, make payments, use GPS navigation, and interact directly from your wrist. It feels like a mini smartphone experience. Fitbit Air does not even try to compete here. It removes the screen completely and focuses only on health, recovery, and fitness tracking. The goal is simplicity, not productivity. Another important difference is comfort and lifestyle usage. The Fitbit Air is probably better for users who dislike wearing smartwatches while sleeping, working out, or relaxing. It's lighter, less distracting, and designed for continuous tracking. The Apple Watch is better for users who want one device that handles both smartwatch features and fitness tracking together. Price is also a major factor. Fitbit Air is expected to cost around $100, making it much more affordable. Apple Watch models cost significantly more depending on the version you choose. So which one is actually better? If your main focus is lightweight health tracking, comfort, battery life, and simple wellness insights, then Fitbit Air honestly makes a lot of sense. It feels modern, minimal, and much less distracting than traditional smartwatches. But if you want a complete smartwatch experience with apps, notifications, communication features, and stronger ecosystem integration, the Apple Watch is still the better overall wearable. At the end, this comparison really depends on what type of experience you want on your wrist. So yeah, Fitbit Air is better for minimal health tracking and battery life, while Apple Watch is still the better full smartwatch experience overall. Let me know which one you would choose. Subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more latest tech updates.